First article is coming from Bitcoin Magazine, and over 1 million Bitcoin addresses hold 1 Bitcoin or more, reflecting strong adoption. Now, the Bitcoin adoption appears to be accelerating as more than 1 million Bitcoin addresses hold at least 1 Bitcoin. Now, just keep in mind, with all these guys holding at least over 1 Bitcoin, that's less Bitcoin Satoshis you can have. So I always say it, get some Bitcoin before it's too late. But yeah, let's learn a little bit more about these statistics. According to data from Bitcoin Magazine Pro, there are at least 1,012,650 Bitcoin addresses that contain 1 or more Bitcoin. And here's that chart right there. And it's been increasing since Bitcoin's inception in 2009. And yeah, so many are holding. But this represents more than 1 million Bitcoin potentially taken off the market and held by strong hands, a significant portion of the 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. Demand continues to rise as US spot Bitcoin ETFs collectively hold 901,000 Bitcoin, while MicroStrategy, a major corporate Bitcoin holder, owns 226,500 Bitcoin. Additionally, MicroStrategy plans to raise $2 billion to buy more Bitcoin, further emphasizing the trend of institutions buying and holding substantial amounts of BTC, tightening the available supply and demand increases. Now, the number of Bitcoin addresses holding 1 Bitcoin or more has historically lagged behind BTC's price. However, in the past 2 years, this trend has reversed, with the number of these addresses increasing more rapidly than Bitcoin's price. Now, this shift signals growing adoption and reflecting rising long-term confidence in Bitcoin as more users accumulate and hold significant amounts of it. Now, the rise of Bitcoin addresses with 1 or more Bitcoin signifies that both retail and institutional investors are actively accumulating Bitcoin. Now, with only 21 million Bitcoin ever to be mined and approximately 19 million already in circulation, the demand for Bitcoin appears to be increasing as users aim to secure their share of limited supply. Now, if you want more details and insights, sign up for Bitcoin Magazine's Pro to get all those details for it. But no, there's really only 19 million circulation. Let's say there's 5 or 6 million gone and lost forever, just by people forgetting the seed phrase and whatnot. So now there's really only 13 million circulation. We know that at least over 1 million people or 1 million wallets out there hold 1 or more Bitcoin. We know MicroStrategy owns at least 225,000. Our next article is going to go over how Metaplan's buying even more. And then these ETFs, they're in control of 900,000. So Bitcoin supply is going away, people. Go get it while you still can, because there's not that much out there. And if you're just relying on people to sell it to you, yeah, good luck with that.